In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an ebook funnel using GoHighLevel. This process is going to streamline how potential readers get access to your ebook, making it a smooth transition from interest to download. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, you'll begin by logging into your GoHighLevel account and heading straight to the dashboard. This is your command center for all things related to funnel building. Once you're there, make your way over to the Forms section. This is where you'll start creating the necessary forms that will capture your visitors' information, their name, email, or whatever data you deem necessary to gain access to your ebook. Now you'll want to click on Create Form. This action will lead you to the Form Builder interface. GoHighLevel has a variety of options for form design, so take your time to choose the right template or layout that best fits the aesthetic and needs of your ebook funnel. To ensure that the form is engaging and interactive, highlight key sections by clicking on the respective areas in the Form Builder. After fine-tuning the form's design, it's essential to click on Continue and proceed with entering the necessary information that the form needs. To capture your user's consent effectively, add a section like, "By checking this box, I consent to receive non-marketing text messages about the ebook offer." This step is crucial to comply with communication and privacy policies. Once your form looks exactly how you want it, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Save. Now it's time to build the funnel itself. Head back to the main dashboard and this time click on Funnels. From here, click on New Funnel. You'll dive into setting up the funnel template. Within the funnel settings, name your funnel something relevant and memorable that reflects the ebook, something your users won't confuse. Continue the process by selecting options that sync seamlessly with the user experience you want to provide. Explore the different layouts and formats, keeping in mind user-friendliness should be a priority. Once the basic setup of your funnel is in place, the fun part begins. You'll click on rows and add elements to your funnel. These can include images of your ebook cover, testimonials, or intriguing snippets that can persuade potential readers to engage further. Finally, link your previously created form to the funnel. This is what allows the funnel to effectively serve its purpose of collecting user data in exchange for your ebook. To connect the form, you'll click on Add, and then select your specific form from the options provided. This step is key. Ensure that it is set up correctly to avoid any mishaps. And there you have it. Now you have your very own ebook funnel set up in GoHighLevel. It's all about guiding your audience seamlessly from curiosity to obtaining that ebook. Follow these steps and you'll turn potential interest into real engagement and leads. Happy funnel building!